kamahinungdanon sa digitalization, apil na ang Barato o paspas nga internet service sa Nasud. Mao kini ang gihimug-atan ni Presidente Bongbong Marcos Jr. sa iyang pamahayag sa 23rd International Cable, TV and Telecommunication Congress and Exhibit. Iyang panghinaot nga makaabag ang cable ug telecom sector aron matuman ang gipangandoy nga digitalization sa Nasud. Giuyunan usab kini sa Federation of International Cable, TV and Telecommunications Association of the Philippines of TICTAP. Samtang sa mensahe ni GMA Network Chairman and CEO Attorney Felipe L. Gozon, iyang gitumbok ang kamahinungdanong papel sa digitalization aron mas mapanindot pa ang mga programa sa GMA Network.
We cannot do business without good internet coverage. We cannot trade with other countries without good internet and without good telecommunications. We cannot do all of the things that are necessary to transform our economy without good connectivity, with a high bandwidth, with good speed, and at a very affordable price.
We would like to be able to provide affordable internet connectivity to our greater nationwide population from the 2nd to 6th class municipalities. As we pursue our joint initiatives and aspiration for a national broadband strategy.
Thanks to digital, internet-based services, we receive specific and real-time feedback. These analytics help us evolve our programs based on viewer behavior as well as on other nuances presented by the data.